Hey dude, what is up? It's this the Phantom King 43 here, and today we are going to be watching The Marionette. Dun dun dun. Now guys, this may be creepy, but here we go. This is so cool and so creepy at the same time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, okay, next Amigo video. This time I'm dressed up as the marionette from the Five Nights at Freddy game, or rather the second one. So this look is going to be an interesting one. I'm not sure if it comes across as scary or not, but we shall find out. So let's go to Amigo and see what happens.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Hey!
Oh, what the fuck?
What just happened?
It's Chihuahua. Whoa.
Huh? Oh.
It's like, don't scare.
Oh my god.
I like how she has a heart attack. Good. There's one actually that's like so cool. I kinda like it.
Dude, I know you.
Busted. Wait, there's one on here that I actually hate. And it's one I like. The hairy hand.
You are really fucking creepy, man.
Sad puppet. I like guys like gunshots on a phone. Headphone warning. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, Slenderman. Uh-oh.
You're a YouTuber!
2,
Maybe.
1.
Oh my god, your makeup's awesome! Ah!
How long is it gonna go on for? Much.
That was sorry. It needed to happen. Say something.
Too bad now.
Marionette. Oh my god! Hi! Oh my god, are you Chuck? Who are you? Who are you? I love your YouTube. Who are you? I love your YouTube account. I can recognize you even. I don't think that's a
Marionette.
Hi!
Oh, this is my favorite one.
Well, it's not supposed to be hurry up. If the damn box you come anyway. You dick.
I love that one.
Ow! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Hey! Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god. Yes.
Man,
that
that's
you?
creepy.
Define
That's
you.
hilarious.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait.
look at this one.
Yes!
Let's do this.
That's actually really cool. Yeah.
Thanks. I want to know why there's an elf in the middle of all this. What's a Santa? Oh my god, yes. It's a pimp Santa.
How does your face look like that?
What?
It's not working
ages. Yeah, this is a lot of prep for Omegle. Are you wearing contacts? No, mine's naturally like this.
Wow. Are you still in the dark? Oh, God. You know what? Screw this. My cosplay is trash now. Oh, my gosh.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be all for this one here. But yeah. Also, hashtag shout out to LegoMan463, and I challenge you to do a reaction video to the Sonic.exe Goes on Omegle or the Five Nights at Freddy's Mary Night Goes on Omegle. I challenge you to do that video. And yes, guys, stay Phantomized, stay good, stay creepy. Bye.